नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In previous session, we discussed a group of psychotropic drugs. Now today, we are going to discuss cyclic antidepressants. Cyclic depressants are divided into different generations. First generation, second generation, and newer agents. First generation includes imipramine, amitriptyline, desipramine, doxepin, nortriptyline, protriptyline, timipramine, while second generation includes amoxicillin, meprolactylene. Newer agents of cyclic antidepressants includes bupropion, trazodone, metazodone, fluoxetine, paroxetine, sertraline. So how cyclic antidepressants acts? Basically, cyclic antidepressants inhibits the reuptake of neurotransmitters. They are anticholinergic blockade, adrenergic blockade, and myocardial depressant. So they inhibits the reuptake of neurotransmitters and acts as anticholinergic blockade, adrenergic blockade, and they also depresses myocardial function. So acts as myocardial depressants. They produces different signs and symptoms while affecting on central nervous system. They depresses the mental state. Patient become depressive. He may go into delirium. Sensorium get altered. And patient may go into coma. There is generalized, brief, and self-limited convulsions. Nystagmus may also develop. There may be dysarthria and ataxia. So it depresses the mental activity, it depresses the mental state, and this depression of mental state may lead to coma. Patient may go into stage of delirium, his sensorium got altered, and there may be convulsions which are generalized for a short duration and are self-limiting. In cardiovascular systems, they produce sinus tachycardia, conduction delays, ventricular arrhythmias, depressed inotropy, hypotension, atrioventricular block, and bradycardia. So it produces sinus tachycardia and bradycardia also. It may also produce arrhythmia, especially ventricular arrhythmia, and may develop hypotension. They also affect parasympathetic nervous system where it produces dry skin and dry mucosa. It also affects ileus. There may be urinary retention. Mydriasis may develop and body temperature can increase, developing hypothermia. So the fatal dose of cyclic antidepressants are 2 to 5 grams. Now what is the treatment of its side effects or poisoning of cyclic antidepressants? The first one is gastric lavage. Emetics should be avoided. Activated charcoal is very useful. Cathartics are useful and physostigmine can be given. Usually these drugs are used for a longer term, and its long-term use develops psychological dependence and tolerance. Patient or user become tolerant to the doses and also become dependent on this drug, and the withdrawal of this drug or drug abuse can cause depression and may sometimes cause increases the depression to such limit that patient may commit suicide. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.